Are you ready to downsize but unsure how to get your home ready? It can feel like a daunting task to declutter, clean, and prepare your home for sale. But with the right approach, it could be a smooth and rewarding process. Welcome back to our Downsizing Video Series. Today, we'll share practical tips to help you prepare your home for downsizing. Preparing your home for downsizing involves more than just packing boxes. It's about showcasing your home in its best light to attract buyers and making the process as stress-free as possible. If you've been putting off getting started because it feels overwhelming, we are here to help. Here's how to prepare your home for downsizing. Declutter. Start by removing items you no longer need or use. Donate, sell, or discard anything that doesn't add value to your life. Make repairs. Fix any minor issues like leaky faucets or chipped paint to make your home more appealing to buyers. Stage your home. Highlight your home's best features by rearranging furniture, adding fresh decor, and keeping spaces clean and inviting. At Community Real Estate Group, we will work with you to ensure your home is market ready, helping you get the best possible outcome. Imagine buyers walking into your home and immediately falling in love with its charm and potential. You've created a welcoming space, and now you're one step closer to starting the next chapter of your life. This doesn't have to be overwhelming. We will guide you every step of the way. Take the first step today. Start small, stay consistent, and let us help you every step of the way. Visit communityrealestategroup.ca to start your journey and find all the ways you can get in touch with us, including our email addresses, which is also in this video description. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to Community Real Estate Group London and Area Living for more expert real estate tips and neighborhood insights. Are you ready to take the next step? Visit communityrealestategroup.ca. We are here to guide you every step of the way.